This garage hasn't been opened since 2003, and inside it, there's a forgotten Mercedes. We thought we'd found a hidden gem for just $6,000, but when we finally rolled it outside, we were in for something completely unexpected. What's hiding underneath all that dust? And what kind of story does this car have?
This place has such a cool vibe. A garage in the middle of the woods. How did it even end up here?
Put it here in the 90s.
So we can drive right up to it?
Yeah. It just opened. You gotta turn it, then pull it toward you. All right, here it is.
And the car is back in the dark. Just like with the Corvette, the garage has slowly sunk into the ground. So we're gonna have to dig it out. Do we have a shovel?
We'll find out.
I need to change.
What a man. All right, let's grab some shovels and start digging.
What happened?
This is a shovel and Vadim. Vadim, I'm telling you, it's easier to fix it.
What am I supposed to do?
Go find an axe. There's gotta be an axe somewhere around. Oh no. I broke the shovel.
You did? We've done enough digging. Time to go home.
All right, are you ready, kids? We dug ourselves out. That's it. Let's go. The unique thing about this car is that it's been sitting in the exact same spot for 23 years. It's got 71,000 miles on it. It's a Mercedes S-Class 500.
So basically, they bought it from some girl back in 1997. She drove it for about 6 years, and then this is just how its story
So it really
went.
been here for 23 years?
You can tell by looking at the doors.
Yeah, you can definitely tell. The garage sank so far into the ground that we had to cut through the roots. It's completely overgrown.
These are the original wheels.
You're sure?
Yeah? Yeah. These are the original wheels. Look at all the antennas on this thing.
That's some redneck engineering.
That old Mercedes smell. Every old Mercedes-Benz I've ever had smelled exactly like this one for sure.
It seems almost brand new.
The fender's dented.
I just fell through.
The fender's dented.
The fender and the rocker panel, there's a dent down there too.
Let's try to get it out of the garage before it gets dark, and then we'll give it a detailed inspection. All right, that's the second time I've used this in my life. Got it, right? The team.
You know what I'm doing? I'm scratching my arm with the camera lens.
When you're standing with wires in both hands and you can't do anything about it, then a mosquito lands on you, he just like, then you're like, go away, damn it. And the thing doesn't understand that it's supposed to leave because its brain is tiny.
1, 2, 3.
Let's try again.
1, 2, 3.
This time just straight, once, and that's it.
It's stuck in a pit.
It's not moving at all. Let's hook it up to the cruiser.
I'm already loving this. I sat in it and it's just...
Vadim has had all the S-classes except the 126 and the 223.
The winch is done.
There's another one there.
All right, that's it. The car is finally free. I thought it was going to be in museum condition. The whole car has been repainted, but the underbody is solid. There is some rust in these areas, though. That's not great. The interior is pretty worn, too. Just look at the steering wheel. What were you saying about the sun visor? Oh, yeah, this one. It's all dried out and cracked, obviously.
The panel gaps are all beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, this thing definitely took a hit up front.
A pretty serious hit.
They repaired the hood right here.
There it is. This is basically how the impact happened.
That's the bodywork. Now let's look at the engine. Can we try turning it over by hand or with a wrench, or is that not going to
Let's
work?
pull all the spark plugs. Then we'll pour a little oil in so we don't score the cylinders. Let's do it carefully and make sure everything's nice and clean. And this thing had some redneck engineering done to it. This hose is disconnected. There should be a connector right here. Both cylinder heads have been opened up. This side is sealed with red sealant, and this one with white sealant.
This car has very little value, honestly. There's a lot of non-original stuff on it. It's been repainted all over. The fender has actually been welded in. This isn't the kind of car that's going to become more valuable over the years. I'd value this car at around 2 to 3 grand.
How much do they want for it? 6K.
No way. We definitely shouldn't put more than $3,000 into this thing. If they won't sell it to us for $3,000, we'll just help the guys get it running. They were planning to bring it back to life and sell it anyway. We'll help them out and head home, but there's no point in paying more than it's worth.
Seems strong.
It's like the oil and some tincture. Smells some kind of herbal. We've spent way too much time today doing things where you literally just have to stand there, and the mosquitoes are loving it. Thanks. Any signs of life?
Absolutely not.
Is there maybe a negative terminal somewhere?
That's what I'm looking for. There it is, a negative terminal.
Now he's connect everything where it belongs.
Oh, something just lit up.
The fact that the engine isn't seized is a good sign.
Don't check for a spark.
We've got one!
Yeah. I think the battery's already dying. I don't think we're gonna be able to start the cruiser. I really don't want to end up living in the woods.
Attempt number million.
Come on.
1, 2, 3! Screw this!
Vadim, we're not gonna start the cruiser now. Let's take bets. Is the cruiser gonna start with this dead battery?
Cruiser will start. Nope, damn it! Alright, now it's gonna start adapting. It'll probably hold around 400 RPM.
We still have a chance of making it home.
Hey everyone.
Hey,
Hey.
thanks. You literally saved us
Oh,
from the
Decloros,
mosquitoes.
goddamn.
Go on.
I don't think that was a good idea. John, you literally just washed yourself with it.
Ah, damn it, stop. We're gonna burn the starter out completely. You're pissing me off, Mercedes.
2,000 years later.
Yes, that's a victory. That's a win. After 23 years, you know, it finally woke up. And you know why? Because Vadim is here, the Mercedes expert. What a legend.
So,
Let it just run for a little bit and it'll be fine.
it's alive?
No way.
All right, so here's the deal with the car. We're ready to take it, like I told you, for 3,000, considering all the issues. I don't know. You probably aren't ready to let it go for 3,000. Maybe you are. If you are, we'll take it.
I need to think about it, talk it over, you know?
Ask your grandpa.
And just explain the situation to him. The car took a hit in the front and you can see all the issues yourself. We showed it.
$3,000? I think that's too low, I can already say. My price at least $4,000.
We're gonna put those wheels on now. The cool ones over there. Give it a wash, show you what it looks like. This thing was sitting here covered in dust, dirt, and cobwebs. And now, boom, look at it. Go get the wheels on.
Let's go. Temperature is sitting right at 80, battery is charging, headlights work, which is awesome.
We're loading the car onto a tow truck now because it doesn't have plates. We're taking it to a tire shop and waiting to hear back from the owner.
Even the heated seat still works. This thing is so smooth. Look at the road we're driving on.
Yeah, I see it. There's barely even a road here.
And it doesn't care at all. They say the W126 is the smoothest S-Class ever made. Yeah, I agree. The 140 is definitely stiffer.
All right, we're loading it and taking it into town. The guy said there's a place they trust.
Later.
Basically, the wheels are badly bent, which is why the tire keeps losing air. The tire guy says there's no way to fix them, but Vadim says otherwise. Our tire guy has been doing this for years, and he says it can be fixed. I believe there's nothing you can't fix.
Let's put some sealant on it and leave it.
It's not going to hold air.
Let's just do it anyway.
I'm not doing it because it's not going to hold.
We'll pay you money for it.
Why would I do something that's not going to work?
Who cares?
What do you mean, who cares? I'm telling you,
If you're getting paid for it, why can't you just try to do it?
because it's going to leak.
Fine, let it leak. We're taking responsibility for it.
Everybody out of here.
No, Vadim actually has a point to say that.
We're gonna pay you whether it works or not. So why not try? Better to try than not try. That applies about to everything in life.
Look at that! It's holding air. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. John, look! The tire is actually staying inflated.
Of course, of course.
No way.
He did it. He's officially a winner at life now. I'm telling you.
Of course.
See? Nothing is impossible. It worked. I already went over and checked it. It looks freaking awesome. Back in 2003, wheels like these were considered seriously cool. People were like, I put aftermarket wheels on it, look at me. And the stock ones were considered ugly. But times have changed. Look at these stock wheels now. They actually look so damn good.
Get in, Vadim. Whenever I get here, I always roll the
And
car all
Vadim
the
got
way
out
in.
right as it started moving. And he had literally just gotten in. We're all weak, but you and Vadim aren't. To get this Mercedes to drive on its own, we needed the Stig. He appears out of nowhere. Nobody knows what he looks like, but apparently he's one hell of a car transporter.
That's it. I think it's done now.
And from here, we push it by hand.
It started by itself.
All right, well, I guess that's it. We're gonna let you think about the price, okay? Even if we can't agree on the price, this was still freaking awesome. We gave this car, I don't know, I feel like we gave it a second life. Everyone really put in the work today. Special shout out to
Vadim was
Vadim.
absolutely killing
The
it.
car is clean now, it's on the right wheels, and it's alive. The old guy came back to life. I'm
And
really
it's
happy.
actually not bad on the road.
Yeah, let's give it a round of applause.
Later.
Okay, we're finally home. We weighed all the pros and cons of this Mercedes and realized it doesn't really have any collectible value. So we decided not to buy it for our private collection.